Welcome to the Al-Dirassa YouTube channel, dedicated to teaching the Arabic language, the Holy Quran, and Islamic studies.
Welcome to our channel. Today we'll discuss a beautiful and meaningful dua that we recite for the deceased. Allahumma ghafir lahu warhamhu. O Allah, forgive him and have mercy on him. What does this dua mean? And why is it important to make this prayer for those who have passed away? Stay with us to learn about the immense rewards of praying for the deceased. Explanation of the dua. Allahumma ghafir lahu warhamhu. Allahumma ghafir lahu, O Allah, forgive him. This part of the dua is a request for Allah to forgive the sins of the deceased, asking Allah to erase their mistakes and shortcomings, bringing comfort and peace in their grave and the hereafter. Warhamhu, and have mercy on him. Here, we ask Allah to bestow His mercy upon the deceased, encompassing all that is good for them in the life of the grave and after resurrection. Mercy extends beyond forgiveness, bringing the deceased ease and tranquility. The importance of praying for the deceased in Islam. Praying for the deceased is one of the best acts of kindness we can offer. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, described the deceased as waiting in their grave like someone drowning, hoping for a prayer from a relative or friend. Such a prayer raises the deceased's rank and alleviates any hardship they might face. When and how to pray for the deceased. The dua, Allahumma ghafir lahu warhamhu, can be repeated after each prayer when visiting graves or during the funeral prayer. There's no specific time for this dua. It's encouraged at any time, as we hope it brings mercy and forgiveness from Allah for the deceased. The value of continuously praying for the deceased. Some people may think that praying for the deceased ends after the burial. However, continuous dua for them is like a form of ongoing charity that reaches them and provides blessings and rewards each time it is made.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Also, visit our website www.aldirassa.com to learn more about the Arabic language and Islamic studies.